Okay, let's do a short intermezzo to make calculations a bit easier. So we're gonna take the derivative, because we're gonna calculate gradients. So let's take the derivative of log alpha I. Remember, alpha is the sigmoid function of W transpose X, and the sigmoid was this formula. 1 minus alpha, you can easily calculate, is this expression. We will also need it in a short while. So let us now calculate the log of alpha equals the log of this function, right? The log of 1 divided by 1 plus e minus transpose x. And that equals, the log of a divided by b equals log of a minus log of b. It's another rule. So the log of 1 is 0, and then minus the log of this one, 1 plus e to the minus w transpose x. Okay, let's now take the derivative with respect to wj of log alpha. So and basically what we're gonna get is we're gonna put the minus inside, then we have a plus here, but this goes to the bottom, 1 plus e minus w transpose x, and then times the derivative of this thing. We're using the chain rule. I've not explained the chain rule. I will do it once we deal with back propagation. But you can look it up if you want, but the chain rule says that you still gotta do the derivative of this, and the derivative of that is e to the minus w transpose x. The derivative of e remains e. This is also a rule. Okay, but then we still forgot something. Remember that y predict is w0 x0 plus all the way down to xd wd. Remember? So when we and this is w transpose x, when we take the derivative with respect to wj, all of this will become 0 except the xj. So this we're gonna multiply with xj. Hope you understand. All these will be 0, and there is one here that is wj xj, and if I derive for w, I'm left with xj. Okay, so we have now an expression here, and if you look at this here, this is exactly what we have here. So that means that it is xj times 1 minus alpha. So the derivative with respect to wj of log alpha I is this expression. Okay, let's now calculate the derivative of the log 1 minus alpha. The log of 1 minus alpha is, I bring xj to the other side, so that is the log of this divided by xj, w transpose x, so this becomes minus, the log of a divided by b is log a minus log b, minus the log of 1 plus e to the minus w transpose x. Okay, and this here is minus w transpose x. Yeah. So if I'm gonna derive with respect to w of the log of 1 minus alpha, then it's equal to, yeah, if I derive this here for wj, what I'm gonna be left is xj. Yeah, it's basically the same as what's happened here, and minus the log of this is this one here. Yeah, so that's basically the log of alpha, and the log of alpha is this one. Yeah, plus xj 1 minus alpha. Yeah, and that is equal minus xj plus xj plus xj, sorry, it's gonna be minus xj alpha. Okay, so these two disappear, and this is equal to minus xj alpha. Yeah, so wj. So here we have the outcome, the result. So let me put a blue, so wj of the log of 1 minus alpha, yeah, is this. So now we get both, okay? And this will help us with our calculation over there.